Arrow is a web-based real-time portal system that monitors and reports across the total length of the supply chain, from supplier development and approval all the way to line-side assembly. The portal allows to upload all relevant documents, such as inspection reports, work instruction plans, so all information is held in one place and accessible by all concerned anywhere, anytime. The Arrow system also provides real-time and ongoing analysis and statistics, unlimited inspection points in one diverse mobile platform.
Arrow is a web-based system that shows the results of the inspection in the real time. All the documents stay in the same place, and we have a statistical analysis too. First, we have to set the job. So we go to job setup and we fill all the fields that we have above. So with the job number, the serial number, the site, and the customer and the supplier. Then we have to set the part that we are going to inspect. So in part defects, we put the part number, a short description of the part, and then we decide if it's a single check, so the inspector will check the parts one by one or in bulk. On the right side, we can tick the checklist box to have a different view of all the defects. And below, we can define all the defects the inspector will have to check. Once we have defined all the parts, we go to the Assign Each Part. Then we have to assign this job to some inspectors who will do this job. So in the tablet Arrow, we'll notify them that this job is available for them. A strength point of Arrow is to save all the documents related with a job in the same place. So in Manage Docs, we can see all the documents that they have uploaded in the system. When I log in with the user of the inspector, I can see all the jobs assigned to him. In this case, we are going to inspect a box, so it's a bulk check. So I select the part, I scan the HU number, then I scan the batch number, I start with the inspection. This is okay, this is okay. If I find a defect, I have to specify which defect is and take a photo and post result. When I finish to inspect this box, I can input the total quantity of OK and OK that I found and post the result. And I have to change the job. I can come back to jobs and select the next one. Now we have a different kind of job because we have to inspect part by part. If we have to inspect just one defect per part, I can select the job without the checklist, and start to scan the HU number, the batch number, the part ID. I inspect the part. It's an OK part. So I input this inspection as OK. And I can start to inspect another part. But if I have to check different defects for every part, I can use another kind of job. In this case, we can see the checklist of all the defects that we have to inspect in every part. I inspect the part, and if I find a defect here, that is the defect number 1, I can input it as an OK and take a photo. And finally, post the result. After the inspector has uploaded the inspection in the system, we can see the result in Inspector Result. In Client Activity section, we can use the filters above to see all the results in a period that we define. So here we have the summary of each jobs and each parts. We can look at the details here with the totals of number checked, OK, no OK, and reject parts. From here we can go directly to the trending target in a chart form. PPM is a chart with the defect that we have found and reported. In the vertical axis we can see the part per million, and in the horizontal axis we have the period with the month we have choose divided by day, and the period 1, 2 and 3 that are the months before. On the right we have the Pareto chart, and it shows the activity of the defects, always divided by period. So in the vertical axis we have the percentage of the occurrence, in the horizontal axis we have every defect divided by periods. Below we have a table with the description of all the defects that we have found in every period. And in the end of the table it shows the totals of the reject part, the review part and the PPM.
By using GPS technology, we are able to trace the location of all inspected vehicles and components, which is vital on compound inspections and recall campaigns.
Then it's possible to download the report with all this information. And in the report we have two sections. In the first section we can see all the information that we have seen in the inspector result, and in the other section we have another table with the totals by defect.
Arrow is a web-based reporting system. Arrow allows all information is held in one place and accessible by all, anytime, anywhere. Arrow provides live analysis and statistics and full traceability. You can take decisions based on the quality and reliability of the data in real time.